Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to use Clownfish Voice Changer on Discord using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and I'm just gonna show you on how to install Clownfish Voice Changer, okay? So now once you've opened your browser, just go ahead and search for Clownfish. And here, click on download. Now you can just go ahead and choose any of this. Okay, I'm just gonna choose this first option. So just go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, it is now done downloading. So just go ahead and click on it. Click on yes. And click on next. Next. Now I'm just gonna choose the destination folder. Okay. So I'm just gonna change it. And after you've changed the destination folder, you can now click on next. Click on install. So now, once you've clicked on install, you just go ahead and wait for it and click on finish. Okay. And now as you can see here on my desktop, I have the Clownfish Voice Changer application. Okay. So here at the lower right corner of your screen, you can see this show hidden icons. It is the upward arrow. Okay, so just go ahead and click on that. And you can see the Clownfish Voice Changer. So just go ahead and right click on that. And you want to click on turn on. Okay, so once you've clicked on turn on, it will automatically change your voice. Okay. So before you do that, just go ahead and open your Discord. And now I'm just gonna click on turn on, okay? And so you can hear it.
So this is my voice after I clicked on turn on, okay? So now I'm just gonna turn it off by clicking the turn off button.
Now you can just go ahead and start any call with your friends on Discord. And before you do that, you want to click on user settings here and click on voice and video. And here at the input device and output device, you need to make sure that you choose the device that you are using. Okay? And now just go ahead and start a call with your friends. And that's it. That is how you use Clownfish Voice Changer on Discord. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.